5 AI tools that will replace jobs. In 2026, I'll be straight with you. AI isn't coming for someday, it's here. 2026 is the tipping point. Number 5. AI sales agents. They scrape leads, they write personalized emails, they book meetings, they even join calls with a human-like voice. Tools in this lane are already closing small-ticket deals. By 2026, entry-level prospecting and outreach are mostly automated. Consequence: if your value is blasting templates, you're replaceable. Move, specialize in negotiation, high-touch enterprise motion, or complex solution design. Number 4. AI video and ad generators. Feed a brief. Brand kit, product shots, get 20 variant ads, subtitles, auto-resize cuts in minutes. Think creative testing on turbo. Consequence: basic editors and thumbnail churn jobs shrink fast. Move, own the creative narrative, story arcs, brand voice, performance analytics. Number 3. AI code companions that ship. They plan features, they generate scaffolds, they write tests, they run linters, they open PRs. One engineer will do the work of 3. Consequence: junior bug fix roles get squeezed. Move, go up stack, architecture, security, and system design. Number 2. AI back-office autopilots. Finance tasks, HR tasks, ops tasks, AP, AR, invoice matching, policy checks, onboarding, scheduling, compliance summaries, 0 days off, 0 typos. Consequence: routine coordinator roles decline. Move, switch to exceptions, controls, and strategy, vendor negotiations, policy design, forecasting. Number 1. AI research and drafting engines. Give it a goal, constraints, and sources. It pulls data, writes reports, and cites evidence. Legal briefs, market maps, technical summaries. Consequence: first drafts across industries become automated. Move, be the editor with judgment, source selection, risk framing, and final accountability. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI won't take your job. Someone using AI will. So what do? Today, pick one AI tool per week and make it billable. Tie it to revenue saved or generated. Build a personal ops stack. Notes, prompts, templates, and automation that travel with you. Track your time to value. If AI cuts a task from 3 hours to 15 minutes, claim that delta in scope or salary. Learn prompt engineering for your niche, not cute tricks, domain-specific constraints and checklists. Protect your data, use enterprise plans, redact sensitive info, and log what you feed models. Cinematic B-roll, offices at dawn, dashboards, robotic arms, keyboards, city time-lapse. Final thought: in 2026, the middle gets squeezed. The top, people who blend AI with taste, ethics, and decision-making, pull ahead. If that's you, start proving it this week. Thanks for watching. More deep dives soon.